This is Katie. I guess I would call her my best friend. I don't know.
Oh
I'm like, actually, to increase the gym anxiety even more for Katie, I decided that I would bring my tripod and camera. She thought this exercise was called a goblin squat, like a literal monster. Chin forward. It looks good. Chin forward.
She's a good coach. Buy her coaching lessons.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan, and today's video is going to be taking my roommate to the gym for, would you say it's the first time? I would say it's the first time she's going to try to like lift. Her outfit looks great, courtesy of my closet. We actually plan to also go in with matching merch. We really said like promo moment. The game plan is we're gonna do full body Friday. Katie, duck down. The main thing I want to teach Katie is a hip thrust because I feel like that's something she actually wants to do.
I want to hip thrust, but I feel like we have to do deadlifts.
Yeah, and I'm gonna teach her an RDL. For people who ask how to get comfortable in the gym,
Like, you just can't.
you haven't even tried.
I don't want to.
You go with somebody, and then 2, go with a plan, and we have a plan. And then 3, go at a time when it's not busy.
We're going at
Friday
9 o'clock
night.
on a Friday night.
We're doing everything I
This
preach
is
right now.
I'm scared, but I'm excited.
Are you just scared of the atmosphere? You're not scared of the workout?
Yeah, no, I'm not scared of the workout.
Honestly, at the end, we're gonna reconvene about this. I don't think you're gonna think it's as scary as
I
it
think
is.
I am.
Wait.
No, I actually am excited. It's gonna be funny.
Period. You're living out your dreams right now.
Yeah,
A workout with me?
Yeah, I've actually never seen her lift weight.
Honestly, you're gonna give me stage fright.
I'm gonna be like,
We're taking a little corner because it's crazy in the other room. Katie's like scared.
this is like literally the scariest place I've ever been. I'm like never coming back.
Yes, you are. Okay. We're gonna start off with RDLs because there's no benches right now. So we're gonna take the bar. I'm gonna show her how to do it first. She's gonna watch me and then she's gonna perform. Okay, so you're gonna be carrying it like this, and then you're gonna do like shoulder width apart, holding it. Yeah, okay. And then think about like if you're going to sit back in a chair, you're gonna push your hips back and stop about here. And come up. And you can practice without the bar first.
Where am I supposed to put my hands?
Like right where this, and then think about pushing hips back.
Like this.
Yeah, stop bending. You feel it out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't face up, so face down, and then go a little up. Yeah. The only thing is, like, I feel like you could go a little lower. So, like, you're gonna bend your knees to here.
Yeah.
See how my knees aren't bending further than this?
Oh yeah.
So just like a tiny bend, and then go a little bit lower.
Oh.
And you're gonna feel it a lot in your hamstring. And then make sure the bar is just going straight up and down. Okay. Instead of like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then head. Okay. Hips back, curve. Yeah. Does that feel better? Okay. And now do a few. That knee bend is perfect, so no more than that. Let's do 5 more. Good. Keep head down. Good. Wide head down. When you look up, it bends your lower back. So if you're facing up, see how it like rounds?
Yeah.
That's gonna put strain, so that's why you face down,
Oh.
and it stays. So that's the reason.
Okay.
Good, you got 1 more.
I didn't think it was bad until I did like 5 of them. I'm feeling impressed.
Don't make me laugh right now. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
We're doing mockery. Good. What do you want me to do? That's like perfect. Perfect knee bend. Think about butt to the wall. Less bend. Good. Think about someone like if someone pulls you by the hips, like your butt goes back.
Yeah.
That high. There. So we took this little corner so that we don't go in people's way, and we're gonna do hip thrusts. We're innovating. I'm gonna demo right now. The shoulder blades, like right here, are gonna go on the end, and then I'll help you put this on.
Okay.
So this is gonna go like on your hips. It's gonna be uncomfortable, and then about shoulder width apart with your feet, and then you're just gonna like dip and twist. It's just think of like an ice cream scoop, and keep your chin tucked. Your turn. So. Shoulder blades, perfect. Yeah. Okay, so let's practice actually without this mark. You want this to be about parallel. Feet closer to you.
Do I go all the way up?
Yeah. And then you can point your toes slightly out. Let's go like a little wider. And then you want to think about dragging through your heels. Yeah. So like that. Yeah, like there. You ready for the weight?
Yeah.
That'll hold on to her. You got it, trust me. How are we feeling? You feel it in your butt, right?
Yeah.
Okay, as long as you feel it in your butt.
I kind of do.
Just chin forward. It looks good. Chin forward. Your form is good, yes. You're scooping perfectly. And then actually on your last one, I'm gonna make it harder for you.
Hold it.
Yep.
Your since told me about this.
Okay, do 2 more, and then at the last one we're gonna hold. Are you ready?
Okay.
1, 2. Hold as long as you possibly can. Chin stays forward. Good. Hold. You're gonna be trembling. Just hold.
Oh my god.
You're doing good. You're doing amazing right now. It hurts. It's okay. Chin forward. Like Period. You're lying at that it's hard because if you can hold it that long, then it's too easy.
I just don't like that.
It's like sensation.
Yeah.
You stop when it gets hurt.
There's no limit. That's the thing.
No limit. Okay, take it down. We're gonna up the weight. Like we bumped Katie up. We can only bump her up 5 pounds. I know she could do more, but these men using the weights.
Should this be like a fast motion?
You can take your time. And if it's too easy for you, then you can definitely like pause at the top for a second.
It's not too easy.
Okay, good.
My legs are shaky.
Good.
Oh my goodness.
You don't let them see you sweat.
They can see me sweat.
What are you at?
I don't know.
I
thought you were counting.
5 more. Don't look at me in fear. 1 more and hold as long as you can, even if it's 2 seconds.
Okay.
Good. Think about like being on the waters of Jamaica. Booty absolutely plump. Now you're holding it longer.
Megan's going now. This is her 3rd turn, and then I'm going again. I won't lie, it's a little scarier, but we're in this corner, so it's better over here. She's been doing a good job, so.
This is great.
She's a good coach. Buy her coaching lessons. I said yeehaw.
Next up, we're doing a squat variation. I decided on a goblet squat because it's safe over here. You guys have seen me do these before. It's just heel elevated to get more depth. See how when I do a squat here, I can only get like this deep?
Yeah.
But when I do it here, I can like go all the way down here.
Oh my god, yeah.
The plate just helps. So you'll hold a dumbbell. It can be whatever weight you feel comfortable. You're gonna hold it like elbows tucked. So you can practice first body weight, like this.
Okay.
But that's probably gonna be too easy for you. So then you bring the dumbbell and just focus on like straight up and down. And make sure, look at my knees. Yeah, they go out.
Okay, out.
Don't let them do that.
Okay.
Feel okay?
Yeah, like is that the right amount of feel?
Yeah. As long as you feel like you have
Okay,
balance.
so then it's gonna be here.
Yeah.
Like is that how far? I feel like I'm not gonna get this. Oh my god.
And
This is
think about like
oh my
straight
god.
up and down.
Yeah.
Don't lean forward when you get
Okay.
tired. Because that's gonna lose your balance.
Like this.
Okay. Even if you can't get
My legs are like hurting.
Do you feel it?
Yeah.
We might not need to load it. It's not a bad thing. Fine, I'm gonna get you. I feel like loading it helps with the balance. This keeps you upright. Honestly, I think this would be better for you. How are you doing? Maybe you need to be a little wider.
I think I'm just like not able to go down very far.
How does that feel?
That feels a lot easier.
Okay, a lot better, right? Okay,
Yeah.
forward.
That was
Raise your core like someone's gonna punch you in the stomach. Okay. It's our last leg exercise, so give it your all, okay?
okay.
1 more.
Okay.
Are you feeling it here? Okay. She thought this exercise was called a goblin squat, like a literal monster.
Why would you say something like that?
Keep elbows tucked. Good. Take a break if you need. 3 more. Don't lean forward because you're tired. Stomach. Good. Last one. Finish strong. We're doing lateral raises right now. We're gonna do them together because she knows how to do these already.
You're gonna literally hear my arms creak and crick and crack.
But when you get to here, stop. You don't want them flying up, and you don't want them too low.
Okay.
So just,
Okay, just like
she said.
like are you gonna watch it? Okay.
I go first. Wait for me.
Okay.
You don't need to go that high, a little lower.
Lower like
There, yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, what number are we on?
6, 7,
Oh my god.
8. It's supposed to burn. 9. I'm being 2. I just am hiding it. 10. Katie said that she thought that things were a little bit too easy. We're doing as many reps as possible for the last one.
I actually didn't say that.
You said let's kick it up a notch.
I said let's do a couple more.
It's either another whole set after this or just AMRAP. AMRAP's
Okay, okay, AMRAP. What does that stand for?
as many reps as possible.
But don't talk to me.
Don't talk to me.
You talk to me first.
On your own vibes.
Okay.
What's so funny?
Just like we're doing this in the car. I'm so sorry.
Back to work. She said. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's get 10 at least.
My arms are
Why did you say that?
my arms are shaking. I said my arms are shaking.
Oh, I heard like moaning my arms are. You're making me laugh. So I don't work out with people. Come on, Hulk, let's get it. Okay, to finish off, we're doing biceps. Where are your biceps, Katie?
This is what I'm speaking about. My biceps are right here. I actually have an issue with this workout.
Show them.
I I have like overextended.
But honestly, that's fine.
Yeah,
it shouldn't matter.
It just like hurts when the weight goes like that, you know?
Because we can do it like this actually for you. We're gonna do it this way. Hammer.
Yeah, that'll work.
That should help instead of this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like watch.
To tell me if I'm doing it. Okay.
Do I go away?
Keep elbows tucked as much as you can.
Oh yeah, I go
And
crazy.
go to the pit. This stays fixed. Up to the pit. Perfect. What is funny? Fine. Look what happens when I stop. Honestly, like this stays parallel here.
Okay.
And up. And here.
Okay.
So you're going. Yeah,
Actually,
look at the camera.
Actually, this is slow, so I make sure my elbows don't move like crazy.
So the gym is closing in 30
Time for
minutes.
the most dreaded event.
This went really well. I'm really proud of you. Tell them how you feel now. Do you feel as upset?
No, I don't. I got better the longer I was here. Yeah, I still wouldn't come back by myself. I'm not at that like expertise yet.
I mean, it's just your first time.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like actually embarrassed to record this.
Literally, this is the song of choice.
I showed her this song.
Or the
It goes first name, last name, date of
I'm
birth.
literally like a Jack Harlow stan.
We got this. I'm not worried about this at all because we have 2 songs to get us through. One is gonna be Jack Harlow's.
What's the second one? Are we
Something
starting
Meg
with
the
that?
Stallion.
I never asked to be the chick.
All right, guys, wish us luck. Money. All in all, Stairmaster was easy.
We honestly ate it up. I'm gonna send this video to my family. They're gonna be like, oh my god.
So Katie decided that she wanted to talk about all the positives off the camera.
I felt as if I was being
She was being a little negative. It's time to tell them what you told me in the car about how you felt about the workout.
So all in all, I enjoyed the workout. I think like just in the beginning, I was just like really intimidated. When I walked in that gym, I was like, I literally have to leave right now. There were so many like
yeah, there was way more people than I thought there would be there
strong men, and it was also like all men, and I was like, oh my god, like I have to leave here. But then I'm like, cute.
To the next part, but
once we started doing the deadlift, it got better because I was like, okay, no one's like really like paying attention. I think they were like, there was a couple like glances at the tripod, but like
yeah, no one would have looked at us if we didn't have the tripod.
Yeah, and the workout itself, we had fun, and I actually liked the workout. Yeah, I said I'm going every Friday.
Like we said weekly rituals.
I enjoyed my experience. I've never weightlifted.
You did so good.
Yeah.
The way that she was talking before we went, like I thought it was gonna, like I would have to correct a lot.
I did too.
Of stuff, like I was really concerned
I
actually.
was, and the stair climber, like we literally ate the stair climber up.
Yeah, that was actually embarrassing for us to hype up that challenge. Like honestly.
I think it's because her moderate was probably like a lot harder.
Yeah, we didn't, maybe our moderate was easy.
I think when you went to 15, I was like, you crazy. I
hope it shows how fast I went down. I hit the bus because I thought I was gonna fall. Anyways. I'm actually gonna have a cookie tonight. Do you have any last words for them? Other than like to buy this merch.
Yeah, definitely buy this merch. Honestly, I think this also set the tone, was us walking into this room right off the bat of like just strong men, like literally matching. Like they're like and we're like with the camera, like, so where do we and I was like, I can't do this
I'm
anymore.
like, actually, I'm actually very comfortable here.
I know, I actually think I said like 20 times, I was like, I can't believe you come here by yourself and film. I was like shocked. I was like, I can't believe you come here alone.
And no one's looking at you as much as they're looking at yourself. How much did you look at yourself and how much did you look at others?
Yeah, that's true. I was like purposely not looking at others.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
We'll try again next time.
Thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
Bye.